Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today we're going to be creating an original art piece of a bird. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video. It's been a while since I came up with an original art piece, not counting the Mythical Creatures Legends video series I'm doing, but I mean just something I came up with off the top of my head. So I wanted to do something with an animal. At first I was going to do a turtle, but I have another idea for a turtle, so stay tuned to that. So the next one I picked, next animal, was a bird. But I wanted to make like a colorful bird, so that's exactly what I did. But building off of that, everything else just came random from my head as I went along, and well, you'll see in the little time lapse I got going on what I made of it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, it is done, and yeah, it did color. It did come out colorful like I wanted, and for some reason I just thought of butterflies and bubbles, so threw that in there. But yeah, see, came out pretty good. Pretty good. I think the neon pink marker is probably my favorite besides green. So probably going to be seeing a lot of the neon greens and neon pinks. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. And yeah, if you haven't already, please feel free to like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss any notification for whenever I post a video. And yeah, I'm done talking now. And as always, stay awesome, guys.